Hi everybody! Today I have the Sony speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily plug this speaker into your TV. So at first you have to prepare yourself a Sony speaker, your digital optical cable, USB Type-C charger and your plate to the speaker. At first we have to plug our charger straight into our power supply. So as you can see here we have our USB Type-C output and we have to plug this output straight into the DC-in port here. Now let's place it, for example, here, and now we have to find our speaker itself here and place it on the plate. Now we have to find ourselves this cable, digital optical cable, and plug it into back of our TV. You have to find this port yourself. And now we have to plug this cable straight into our dock here. And that's it for this video. Goodbye!